Everyone, please rename your name with your name and everything. Like, who's this the user with the name iPhone? Please rename your name with your roll number, name and your roll number, so that it can be identified which stream you are from. Okay.
Good afternoon.
Hello, sir. Hi. How are you?
Hi, how are you, Ifat? All well?
I'm great. I'm good,
Am
sir.
I audible and visible properly?
Yes.
That's great. That's great. Nice to see. Okay. So, I thought today I will give a little bit of different twist to it with sharing my screen.
Oh, great.
Screen
So
share.
today, sir, we would have the students of first semester, fourth semester also, and the sixth semester students would also be joining. So all first to second and third year students would be here for all these streams like mechanical, computer science, civil, and we have got electronics also,
Wonderful.
ECE. Apart from that, we have
That's
got
great.
the all the 3 years of students of BBA and BCA as well.
Oh, that's great. Fantastic. Yeah, it's very good hot topic. By the way, Ifat, you have disabled, I think, attendee screen sharing. So I think since I'm an attendee, so you
So
need
shall
to
I make you
disable
the I mean
attendee,
host?
the
I
host.
will be
Yeah,
making you
sure,
the
sure.
host,
Do
and
that.
you can.
Perfect. Share the screen. That will be better. Okay.
Okay,
There's a lot
so
of
I have
network
made you the
glitches
host
going
now.
on.
I think you would be able to make the necessary changes, and you can share the screen as
Okay,
well.
great. Perfect. Perfect. Let me do this. Okay. Hello. Yeah. Think. Is my screen visible?
Not yet.
No, sir.
Okay, great. Now it should come.
Okay, students. So we have the speaker, Mr. Sandeep Sadhu, with us. We already had had many sessions with him earlier also, and we all have attended his sessions on different topics. So he's again, once again, with us today.
Just hold on. Yeah. Is it visible now?
Yes, sir.
What can you see?
So we can see the documents on your desktop.
Documents. Okay, fine. So it's coming slowly. There's a glitch. Now is the presentation visible?
No, sir. So
No,
just to
sir.
inform you, I'll have to take the leave for a few minutes from this session, and I'll join back
Yeah,
again.
yeah, yeah, yeah. Sure, 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 sure.
Yeah.
Please
So
take your time.
yes, screen is still not visible, sir. There's no presentation
Okay, I'll
visible.
get it. Okay, okay. I'll just get it. Okay, no worry. Now, Keshav. Okay, guys, is it visible now?
No, sir.
No,
No, the
No, sir.
screen is there, but the presentation is still not opened.
session is not open. Now you can see communication, nothing.
No.
No. Okay, let me try once again. Otherwise, I'll go extempore then. Okay,
Yeah, you can try, please.
share screen, application window, Chrome tab.
To on.
Difficulty zone.
Hello.
Yeah, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's good. So I think there is some glitch. I had made the, yeah, I can see. So stop share. I'll stop sharing. Last try. I had made the presentation. The desktop is not coming at all here. Some glitch is there. It's not showing the desktop.
Sir, you can share your screen also. There's an option of sharing the screen, maybe if that can work.
And desktop is coming. I don't know why it is showing there.
Desktop was shown for a minute and then still now it is again gone.
Desktop was
It was
showing.
shown
Now
for a
it's
minute,
gone, right?
for a few seconds, yeah.
Application window. Share. Desktop. I think there is some glitch. It was coming, but it's again going.
Okay.
No, there's some problem here. Sad.
Good afternoon, sir.
सर कहाँ है सर बोल क्यों नहीं रहे
Wait a minute, students. He's trying to share his screen for now.
ओके मैम
I think he has left for the meeting. He is trying to join in again. Please bear with us.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Yes, sir. Hi.
Yeah, hi again. Sorry, apologies
afternoon,
because
sir.
I think the screen is not coming. So, मेरे हिसाब से it will. I should make it very simplified so that everybody understands it. So that is why I don't believe in these ready-made presentation which are available on the Google, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, but definitely next time I think it will be much better to show you the share screening and stuff like that as well. So we got a lot of kids and different streams as well. So what I will do is today is it will be an interactive stuff. So if I ask Vaibhav Gupta, what do you think about the etiquettes of email? I'm randomly selecting the kids. I don't know. Is that okay if I can
Yeah,
ask them
yes, sir.
randomly?
Yes, yes, sir.
That's great. That's wonderful. So it will be so let's make it more entertaining rather than to show you those boring presentations. फिर मैं वही पढ़ूंगा जो Google ने मुझे बताया. I don't believe in that. I believe in something extempore, something which I am ready.
Yes.
So
I would
Vaibhav,
request all these students also to be more participative and respond to sir.
Yeah, absolutely. So, or anybody, what do you mean by email etiquettes का मतलब क्या है? And be very comfortable in any language. जो जिस जुबान में बात करना चाहता है, मैं बहुत comfortable हूँ. So, English, as I have told you, is a communication. It's not a knowledge. But yes, we need to speak in English because internationally it is acceptable. और आपकी जब jobs लग जाती हैं, you have to speak in English preferably, right? So anybody who wants to tell me, who wants to take a lead, जो मुझे कह सकता है, what do you mean by email etiquettes? Etiquettes का मतलब क्या है basically? सबसे पहले तो वो important है. Then we can come on the communication. Anybody who wants to take a lead out of this whole lot of ocean of wonderful students of Echelon? Anybody, Chandan, Ashutosh, कोई भी. Don't worry कि गलत होगा या ठीक होगा. कोई भी बोल सकते. Bhavna, you want to say something? Yes, Bhavna. Appreciate. Okay. पुनीत, भावना, come on guys, इतना बड़ा समंदर, कोई कुछ कहो. Etiquettes का मतलब क्या होता है? Etiquettes का meaning क्या है? Consider me as your own faculty. So I'm not an outsider. I'm here to give you what my experience is. मेरे को भी पहले कुछ पता नहीं था. As I told you, I have made you comfortable in my couple of lectures. So I think you should become a friend and answer me. What is email etiquettes? Okay, Vaibhav or Ridesh, Ritik, आप बताओ, what is an email? क्यों इस्तेमाल करते हैं हम email communication? Can anybody tell me? Before going to the etiquette. Yeah, who's this?
So it is
Please introduce
fast.
yourself. Ritik
So I'm
Rajan,
Ritik.
right?
Yes.
Yeah, Ritik, बताएं.
Sir, we use email because it is fast and more reliable than any other source and seems authentic.
मतलब मैं फोन उठा के फास्ट बात नहीं कर सकता जो मैं आपके साथ अभी कर सकता हूँ. मैं आपको ईमेल भी नहीं कर रहा हूँ, तो ये फास्ट नहीं है.
There will be no record then. And
नहीं,
I don't
it's
think-
recorded. It's recording. इफत मैम ने रिकॉर्डिंग शुरू कर दी है. हमारे वार्ता, हमारा कन्वर्सेशन, गुफ्तगू रिकॉर्डिंग चल रही है.
Yeah.
Am I right?
Yeah.
जबरदस्त चीज है ना. ये एक और जबरदस्त चीज मैंने कही. देखो, आपको हंसी आई, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. That means communication. दो बंदों के बीच में बातचीत हो रही है, which is not professionally accepted, rather than everything should be documented. ऋतिक, आप 50% ठीक बोले. तो डॉक्यूमेंटेशन हमारी गुफ्तगू में, जुबान, कन्वर्सेशन में नहीं हो रही है. तो ऐसा क्या चीज करें कि हम जो बात किए, तो आप 5 साल के बाद भी आओ कि संदीप, आपने मेरे को 3 मार्च को 2:13 पे बोला था ये बात. तो कहाँ फोन कन्वर्सेशन ढूंढेंगे हम. लेकिन ईमेल जो है वो डॉक्यूमेंट होगा, वो कम्युनिकेशन डॉक्यूमेंटेड होगा. इसलिए we are using the communications. This is the reason. So you are partially right. I appreciate you, Ritik. बाकी दोस्तों को भी आप प्रोत्साहन करें, बाकी दोस्तों को भी मोटिवेट करें इंटरैक्टिव सेशन के लिए. अदरवाइज बोरिंग हो जाता है. Consider me as one of your friends. I will tell you a lot of wonderful things which I have learned in practical way. So that's why I want to see you in your eyes. You see myself. You can open the cameras also if you want. That's what I have done. Let's be what we are. Right? So guys, etiquettes, एक तरीका, एक तमीज, एक डिसेंसी कैसे लाई जाए कम्युनिकेशन में, वार्ता में. Right? So that is what etiquettes is. Excuse me, if this chair is empty or if nobody is sitting, can I sit here? ये तरीका है. वरना हम कॉलेज कैंटीन में क्या कहते हैं, खींच ली चेयर. वैसे भी आप बैठ सकते हो, लेकिन इंप्रेशन क्या होता है वो इंपॉर्टेंट है. ऋतिक, रितेश, गौरव, मुस्कान, एवरीबडी. सो एक SOP स्टैंडर्ड ऑपरेटिंग प्रोसीजर होता है ईमेल लिखने का, वो क्या है? सबसे पहले, बिकॉज आई बिलीव इन सिंप्लीफाइंग थिंग्स, मैं हर चीज को बड़े ही सिंपल तरीके से बयान करता हूं, ना सोफिस्टिकेशन दिखानी है, ना मुझे इंप्रेस करना है आपको। मैं चाहता हूं जो मैं बात करूं वो आप इनकलकेट करें, वो ले जाएं, आप इस्तेमाल करें उस चीज का। तो ईमेल क्या है? एक डॉक्यूमेंट जो रिकॉर्ड रहता है राइट फ्रॉम स्टूडेंट एज टू कॉर्पोरेट एज, ये हमारे को यूज करना होता है कम्युनिकेशन जरिया ईमेल्स का। अब ईमेल है क्या, कैसे करें, आपको तो पता ही होगा। अब ईमेल और व्हाट्सएप चैट में बहुत फर्क है, दोनों लिखी जाती हैं, बट व्हाट्सएप इज मोर ऑफ कैजुअल। जो ऋतिक राहुल को लिखेगा, अंशुल और अंशिका कैन राइट टू मुस्कान कौशिक ऑन व्हाट्सएप, हे व्हाट्सअप मैन, कम ऑन, कहां थी तू, कॉमा, एक्सक्लेमेशन एक्सक्लेमेशन, वाह, with emojis, emojicons, हंसता हुआ रोता हुआ, that's also a communication। लेकिन इस्तेमाल नहीं करना चाहिए ईमेल में। ऑप्शंस होते हैं ईमेल में, इमोजीज के, एक्सक्लेमेशंस के, तो क्या करें, ऐसा क्या करें? तो कोई मुझे कह सकता है कि ईमेल का इंट्रोडक्शन कैसा होना चाहिए? ऋतिक, रितेश, मुस्कान, चंदन, रोहित, सी है आपका, कुछ भी कहो बट बात जरूर करो, दैट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। हाउ शुड वी स्टार्ट ईमेल कम्युनिकेशन, बताएं कोई? अतुल कुछ बताना चाहता है, अतुल? अच्छा
सर आप व्हाट्सएप के लिए कह रहे थे ना कि कैजुअल होता है, तो ईमेल भी तो फ्रेंड्स को कर सकते हैं ना?
वेल यस, कर सकते हैं। वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट ईमेल एटिकेट्स। अब तमीज से विल गो फॉर कॉर्पोरेट और स्टूडेंट टू सर। ईमेल जरूर कर सकते हैं दोस्त को, इनविटेशन सब कुछ कर सकते हैं, व्हाई नॉट, बट यहाँ एटिकेट्स हैं, तो दोस्त में नहीं चलता, हे मैन व्हाट्सअप तू कहां था एंड ऑल दैट स्टफ, वी राइट दैट। बट इफ यू आर राइटिंग टू योर प्रोफेसर और सर, वहां तमीज, डिसेंसी चाहिए।
यस सर।
डिड इट सफाइस अतुल?
यस सर, यस।
दैट्स ग्रेट। सो कोई बता सकता है, निखिल, सुशांत, मुकुल, ऋतिक अग्रवाल, anybody? Puneet, hi Puneet. Puneet had a video of some beautiful green area, but he just absconding now. Mayank Pandey, Hridesh, Anshika, any girl? Muskan?
Sir, we can start from dear or respected sir, madam.
Okay, etiquettes. We can start with respected one. Wonderful. So let me continue. तो email शुरू करने से पहले we have to write to। email किसको जा रही है? तो to में क्या मतलब है इस to का? कंसर्न किसको है? जैसे मैं आपका सर हूं, मैं आपको पढ़ाता हूं फ्लूइड मैकेनिक्स, मैंने भी मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग की है बाय द वे, सो आई कैन रिलेट। और लेट्स गो फॉर सिविल एंड लेट्स गो फॉर फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर कॉमन होता है, लेट्स टॉक अबाउट मैथमेटिक्स, इंटीग्रल कैलकुलस और डिफरेंशिएशन, वो आप में होगा ही, कॉमन एरिया है वो, और कम्युनिकेशन स्किल। तो मैंने ऋतिक को एक वर्कशॉप दिया था कम्युनिकेशन स्किल का, जिसको इंग्लिश कहते हैं, मेरे टाइम पे कम्युनिकेशन स्किल कहते थे इंग्लिश को, फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर में जो होता था। तो अब ऋतिक जो है लॉकडाउन की वजह से he has gone to his hometown, so he want to address that stanza 4 Shakespeare tragedies में I could not understand a stanza or a paragraph, so you want to write an email to me। तो वो आप कैसे लिखोगे? to Sandeep Sadhu, CC, right? What is CC? Can anybody tell me CC का मतलब क्या होता है? Come on।
कार्बन कॉपी सर।
कार्बन कॉपी, बड़ा पुराना विचार है ये। इट्स कर्टेसी कॉपी। कार्बन तो खत्म हो गया है।
यस सर, कर्टेसी कॉपी,
राइट, वो इट्स अ कर्टेसी कॉपी। तो कार्बन एक्चुअली पहले होता था, कार्बन कॉपी हमारे दिमाग में क्या होता था कि वो कार्बन लग के वो कुछ लिखता है, वो नीचे छप जाता है, तो कार्बन सबको गया है, सॉर्ट ऑफ, बिल्कुल ठीक कह रहे हो, बट इट्स अ कर्टेसी कॉपी। सो सीसी आप किसको करोगे ऋतिक? अगर टू संदीप साधु को किया, सीसी किसको करोगे आप? कर्टेसी कॉपी।
मे बी टू HOD।
Very good, Ritik. That's great. You will do it to an HOD of, or a form teacher, or the teacher in charge of your class, and to your CR, class representatives भी होते हैं। एक BCC भी होता है, blind courtesy copy. Do you know this, Ritik? Blind courtesy copy भी होती है।
I know, but I don't know the use of it.
Use of it, very good. Blind carbon copies मैं encourage नहीं करूंगा इस्तेमाल करने के लिए। The reason being, sometimes it gets dicey। ब्लाइंड कार्बन कॉपी में क्या होता है, जो टू और सीसी को आपने ईमेल की है, उनको पता नहीं चलता कि और एक बंदे को भी ये ईमेल गई है, विच इज ब्लाइंड। सो अटेंशन, मतलब टू वाला और सीसी वाला इज ब्लाइंड। कांट अंडरस्टैंड ये तीसरे को किसके, लेकिन जो तीसरा बीसीसी वाला है उसको पता चल रहा है दोनों कम्युनिकेशन क्या हो रही है. समटाइम्स इट कैन बी डेंजरस, क्योंकि 8-10 दिन 15 दिन 1 महीने में पता चल जाता है टू और सीसी वाले को कि ये बीसीसी हुई थी. द इंप्रेशन इज नॉट गुड, सो आई विल नॉट एनकरेज इट.
Okay.
ये मिनिस्ट्रीज में होता है और मे बी इन दिस साइबर क्राइम बीसीसीज. हमें जरूरत नहीं है. वन शुड बी व्हाट ही इज और शी इज. Straight away write Sandeep Sadhu. CC will be to your HOD or class representative or that particular group of people. वो बंदे भी होंगे ना आपके, ऋतिक के साथ अतुल है, मुस्कान है, आशुतोष है, चंदन है, जिनको वो पैराग्राफ समझ नहीं आया था, तो वो सीसी जितने सारे ग्रुप में हैं उन सबको वो एक्सप्लेनेशन मैं दूंगा, बिकॉज आई विल रिप्लाई. अब सवाल ये आता है कि अटेंशन, यानी अटेंशन किसको है? आपने मुझे किया, दैट्स कॉल्ड अटेंशन इन एन ईमेल. अटेंशन मेरे को रहना है. आप लिखोगे ऋतिक, डियर संदीप, विल यू राइट रिस्पेक्टेड, और मैं, और जो आपने सर को एड्रेस कर सकते हो. जैसे मुझे पुनीत ने कहा था कि सर हम फ्रेंड को भी लिख सकते हैं ईमेल. यू कैन स्टार्ट विद डियर, यू कैन स्टार्ट डियर फॉर योर कलीग्स. बट आपके जो टीचर हैं, प्रोफेसर हैं, लेक्चरर हैं, यू स्टार्ट विद हेलो सर, ग्रीटिंग्स ऑफ द डे. इसको सैल्यूटेशन कहते हैं कि हमने अटेंशन किया संदीप को, जिसके साथ हमारे को राब्ता कायम करना है. दो मेन चीजें हैं जो मेन हमारा गुफ्तगू है, जो मेन हमारा कम्युनिकेशन है, वो मैं हूं. सीसी वो बंदे हैं जिनको जरूरत है इस रिप्लाई की, राइट? सो दिस इज समथिंग व्हिच इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. तो एंड में जब ये लिखा और उसका सब्जेक्ट लाइन आता है, फिर ग्रीटिंग्स आपने स्टार्ट कर दिया, देन देयर इज अ सब्जेक्ट लाइन. क्लैरिटी, सब्जेक्ट लाइन जो है इसका बड़ा महत्व है. इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. 200, 300, 400 मेल मेरे को आ सकती हैं. कॉर्पोरेट में मेरे साथ ऐसा ही होता था. आई यूज्ड टू गेट 250, 350 मेल्स बिकॉज़ आई यूज्ड टू टेक केयर ऑफ 3-4 कंट्रीज. तो अब मैं देखूंगा प्रायोरिटी के हिसाब से. ऋतिक राजन की मेल आई है, उसमें प्रायोरिटी इंपॉर्टेंस लिखा होता है. एक आपने देखा होगा ऑप्शन, इंपॉर्टेंस हाई और लो. उस बटन को हिट करेंगे आप. सो आई विल प्रायोरिटाइज में मेल फोल्डर में चला जाएगा. ये ऋतिक की मेल है, इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. आई नीड टू प्रायोरिटाइज चिराग is there. There is some guy called Chirag Gujar, so you can tell him later on. So he was absurd. So coming back, attention and CC में we'll start greetings of the day. उसके नीचे we'll write down हमें क्या था, point हमारा. ऋतिक will say, dear sir, नहीं, hello sir, greetings of the day, and then you'll sir these were the points. तो फिर आप bullet points में लिखोगे. मेल ऐसी होनी चाहिए जो आपकी मैसेज कन्वे कर दे, short, crisp and nice. That is an email जो impression डाले. अभी तक किसी का कोई क्वेश्चन? राहुल, ऋतिक, again any questions so far अभी तक? Okay. ग्रामर, यू नो, आज जो आजकल अनफॉर्चुनेटली सीबीएसई से खत्म ही हो चुका है, ग्रामर का बहुत महत्व है. सो आई एम टॉकिंग इन दिस सरल भाषा ऑफ हिंदी एंड उर्दू so that you guys can actually understand. I know you understand English as well, but still मैं emphasis डालना चाहता हूं ताकि आप इसको पूरा इनकलकेट करें अपने जहन के अंदर कि हमें किसको लिखना है. टू में सीसी कर्टसी कॉपीज किनको गई हैं, बीसीसी की जरूरत नहीं है. सैल्यूटेशन, ग्रीटिंग्स, हेलो, डियर, गुड मॉर्निंग, ग्रीटिंग्स ऑफ द डे, एंड देन इंट्रोडक्शन. Clarification required, sir. Hi sir, hope you are doing great. I had just a clarification that was required for the King's Tragedies chapter. I could not understand following. Semicolon, tuck, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 lines. Looking forward to your revert as per your convenience. क्योंकि आप सर को थ्रेट तो नहीं दे सकते ना. Looking forward to your answer as soon as possible. Because you still have got 7-8 days for your exams. Looking forward to your revert. Generous mail. फलदार पीठ झुका होता है, हलीमी से, ह्यूमैलिटी से, ह्यूमिलिटी से, तमीज से. तमीज इज एटिकेट्स. सो दैट इंप्रेशन. अब उसमें और एक चीज क्या, कोई बोल्ड लिखता है और लाल रंग से लिखता है, रिक्वेजिशन फॉर. आपने देखा होगा ईमेल्स में कोई रंग इस्तेमाल करते हैं, रेड कलर, वो गलत इंप्रेशन कैरी करते हैं. बड़ा जरूरी चीज बता रहा हूं मैं आपको, ऋतिक एंड ऑल अदर फ्रेंड्स, बिकॉज ऋतिक आई एम एड्रेसिंग बिकॉज ही इज द ओनली पर्सन हु कैन स्पीक. सो आई बिलीव, क्योंकि मैं समझता हूं कि ऋतिक, अग्रवाल, आशुतोष, पुनीत, all you also can टॉक, प्लीज बात करें. अंशिका, आशीष सिंह, पूजा रानी, हृदेश, पुनीत, प्लीज टॉक. कंसिडर मी एज योर फ्रेंड because I want you to learn and inculcate, इस्तेमाल करें. So that is something which is very important. Chirag Gujara, please take a note of this guy. So he is creating a menace. So अब हमें क्या करना है? हमने ये पॉइंट्स लिखे. अब मैं आंसर करूंगा रिप्लाई ऑल. ये बड़ा इंपॉर्टेंट है. अगर मैं रिप्लाई ऑल करूं, सो आंसर सबको जाएगा. ऋतिक, अंडरस्टैंड ऋतिक राजन, अगर मैं रिप्लाई ऑल करूंगा वो आपको भी जवाब जाएगा और सबको जवाब जाएगा. अगर मैं रिप्लाई करूं वो सिर्फ आपको जाएगा. लेकिन कॉर्पोरेट में हमें बड़ा जरूरी जहन में रखना होता है बच्चों कि हमें किसको लिखना है. अगर रिप्लाई ऑल करूं, हो सकता है कोई अनवांटेड बंदा भी है सीसी विच कैन क्रिएट ए प्रॉब्लम. जैसे मेरी कंपनी मल्टीनेशनल थी, वहां चाइना था, तुर्कमेनिस्तान था, पाकिस्तान, बांग्लादेश, श्रीलंका, 7 पीपल. अब मैं इंडियन हूं, मैं चाहूंगा कि मेरे ऑफिस का बिजनेस सबसे ज्यादा ग्रो हो. मैं टेक्सटाइल में काम करता था. So what I will do, I will reply to those people only. Like Hong Kong office को मैं रिपोर्ट करता था. I want Hong Kong office only to know मेरी प्रॉब्लम्स क्या हैं और ये मेरे स्ट्रेंथ्स हैं मेरे प्रोडक्ट के. लेकिन अगर मैं रिप्लाई ऑल करता तो मेरा जो रेसिपी था वो गारमेंट बनाने का, फॉर एग्जांपल डेनिम के ऊपर विस्करिंग करने का या सैंड ब्लास्टिंग करने का, तो वो चाइना को भी पता चलता, तुर्कमेनिस्तान को भी, बिकॉज इट्स अ कट थ्रोट कंपटीशन. सो यू हैव टू बी वेरी केयरफुल when you have to reply to your message. It can be reply or it can be reply all. Hope you understood it. Then I was talking about the colors. Make only 2 colors in your emails, black or blue. तीसरा कोई रंग नहीं होता. That creates casual, वो अपने friends को होली के रंग types होने चाहिए. Black or blue, that's it. Very important is आप font कौन सा choose करें. Arial, मैं हमेशा इस्तेमाल किया है. इट्स कंसिडर्ड टू बी वेरी डिसेंट. एरियल वाला आप उसमें लीजिए. 10 to 12 फॉन्ट साइज. बड़े बड़े अक्षर सिनेमा के बोर्ड वाले, हेलो सर, वो लगता है इट क्रिएट्स अ स्माइल एंड यू नो कि ये क्या लिखना चाहते हैं. फिर हम लिखते हैं बड़ी मेल, फिर और बड़ी मेल, एच इतना बड़ा बड़ा स्क्रीन के बराबर. दैट क्रिएट्स, वो डिलीट होती है वो मेल. सिंपली इफ समबडी सेंड्स मी सच अ बिग मेल लेटर्स के साथ, आई विल डिलीट, आई विल नॉट इवन सी दैट मेल. ये कैजुअल अप्रोच दिखाता है एक इंसान का. अपनी मेल डिसेंट होनी चाहिए, क्रिस्प होनी चाहिए. वो कम्युनिकेशन का, ईमेल का जरूरी फंडा है. Then comes another point in our emails, abbreviations. Hey, TKS, thanks. WHR, you only, you. Where are you? No. Again, it's something which we use in the younger generation. You guys use in WhatsApp or telephone or signal, in these kind of casual communications. When you write an email itself is professional, right? This meeting has unlimited minutes. That's wonderful. So we have to understand, when we write an email, that means it's not WhatsApp, that means it's not chatting. It's an email. It's professional document which can be presented and a reference can be given as and when required. तो इसका इस्तेमाल हमें proper lines के साथ. Trust me, जो मेरे को कोई, मैं भी अपने seniors को which were from different countries, thanks and regards, TKS, RGDS, no, that's not professional, right? Best regards, BESTREGARDS. That will create an amazing impression. मैं बता रहा हूँ आपको. And then write down your name. That's a greeting. That's after salutation comes your body, introduction, how you finish it with bullet and crisp points, and signature. तरीका एंड करने का कैसा है ईमेल का, ये बहुत जरूरी जहन में इंप्रेशन डालता है एक इंसान का. एब्रिविएशंस यूज कर सकते हैं आप. कौन है वो एब्रिविएशंस? PFA, प्लीज फाइंड अटैच्ड. अटैचमेंट्स का बहुत जरूरी है. एंड याद रखें, रिप्लाई ऑल में और फॉरवर्ड में अटैचमेंट्स गई हैं नहीं गई हैं, ये कम्युनिकेशन में फर्क पड़ता है, राइट? सो दिस इज समथिंग व्हिच इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. तो और कम्युनिकेशन में आपने देखना है कि कम्युनिकेशन स्किल में और क्या क्या इस्तेमाल करना पड़ेगा हमारे को. कम्युनिकेशन स्किल में एब्रिविएशन के साथ साथ हमारे को ग्रामर,
I would request you to remove this person.
पंक्चुएशन मार्क्स आर व्हिच आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. पंक्चुएशन मार्क्स जरूरी हैं. पंक्चुएशन मार्क्स के बिना एक इंप्रेशन आता है which is very casual. So we need to make sure that we are putting a question mark. कई सारे exclamation marks जो हैं वो required नहीं है. You cannot put so many exclamation marks.
So I would request you if you can remove this person. The one who
That's
is
what I'm trying to. Yeah.
you the host. You just right click on him and
Yes, it's
remove.
done. Yeah, it's done. It's done.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Perfect.
And so I think this session will be over in 10-15 minutes. So you accordingly take it into
Yeah,
consideration.
sure. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you.
But I'm very happy today, Fadji, that Ritik and all these people, they have got this wonderful.
Yeah.
I will
I
really
will
meet
request
them in
others
person.
also to participate. Yes, Ritik. Yes, he's.
Yeah, I will. Once I meet them in person, so they will be more friendly. But let's see. You know, good, Ritik. But Ritik, it's a very important assignment to you, dear friend. Please talk. अपने दोस्तों से बात करो, सबसे जिनको आप जानते हो कि participation बहुत important है. इफ़त मैम भी आपको बार-बार कहती हैं ये सबको. जरूरी है पार्ट. जब तक आप बोलोगे नहीं, पता नहीं चलेगा और कुछ गलत या सही नहीं होता. ये हमारे दिमाग में कंफ्यूजन.
बोलना. I don't know why these people are not. हाँ.
Absolutely.
अपनी लैंग्वेज में बात करो, हिंदी में बात करो, किसी भी लैंग्वेज में बात करो, but at least start.
Sir,
वेरी गुड. कोई बात करना चाहता है? कौन? मेरा दोस्त?
हेलो सर.
आशीष. ओके, अतुल सिंह. या अतुल, टेल मी.
सर आपने शुरू में कर्टेसी कॉपी बता रहे थे, वो मुझे पता नहीं उसके बारे में.
ओके, वेरी गुड क्वेश्चन अतुल. होता क्या है, फॉर एग्जांपल जैसे मैं ऋतिक से भी कह रहा था कि अगर आपने मुझे मेल करनी है, मैं आपका इंग्लिश टीचर हूं, राइट? और अगर आप सिविल के हो, आप कहाँ, कौन से स्ट्रीम क्या है आपकी अतुल?
कंप्यूटर साइंस सर.
कंप्यूटर साइंस. सो लेट्स टॉक अबाउट ईडीसी. आपका 6th सेमेस्टर में होगा शायद. इलेक्ट्रॉनिक डिजिटल एंड सर्किट्स, ईडीसी. सो ईडीसी में आपको फॉर एग्जांपल फंक्शनैलिटी ऑफ 888 जो डिजिटल है, कंप्यूटर्स में आप पढ़ोगे 8 ही क्यों होता है. सो आपको वो समझ नहीं आया एंड यू आर डाउन, आप अपने होम टाउन में हो एंड आई एम इन दिल्ली. So how will you communicate? You will write an email to me, right? तब email आपने मुझे लिखना है. That means attention मुझे है, precisely मुझे है. लेकिन और भी बच्चे हैं और आपका HOD जो है उसको courtesy copy, courtesy आप अभी मेल करें. sandeepsadhu@yahoo.com मेरा email ID है. If you want to you know note down sandeepsadhu@yahoo.com. So you can write down. उसमें एक ऑप्शन आएगा अतुल मेरे दोस्त, CC. तो वो होता है CC, ताकि मेरे को लिख रहे हो आप और अपने फ्रेंड्स को भी आप उसमें रखोगे, ताकि रिप्लाई ऑल करके सबको जवाब चला जाए उसका. सो अतुल, होप आई सफाइस. आपको समझ आया? Are you there?
Yes sir.
Am I audible to everyone? Yeah, Atul got it. Okay, got it.
Okay, sir,
So
thanks.
so friends, please ask questions. देखो, मैं तो एक्सटेम्पोर बोलता रहूंगा. मैं जानबूझ के आपको प्रेजेंटेशंस नहीं दिखा रहा. ये कार्टून बने हुए फिर एक बोर्ड में पढ़ूंगा. इट्स वेरी इजी. मैं चाहता हूं मैं आपकी आंख में देखकर, आप मेरी आईज में देखकर, वी कैन टॉक टू ईच अदर सो दैट यू एक्चुअली अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट एग्जैक्टली इज अ कम्युनिकेशन स्किल, व्हाट एग्जैक्टली इज एन ईमेल. सो एब्रिविएशंस का भी अतुल मैंने इस्तेमाल कहा कि नहीं करना चाहिए. वो एक कैजुअल दिखता है, BCOZ, बिकॉज. ये कोई भाषा ही नहीं है. Because it's BECAUSE. So communication, let's do a revision fast before the session ends. Email communication is a documented evidence which goes from student age to corporate. We have to make sure that to CC हम उसका इस्तेमाल करें, and then we have to start with introduction, salutation, and after sir, what is salutation? अब salutation पता नहीं क्या word यार, डर लगे यार. पूछे सर को, पूछो ना. Greetings, how to start? Dear, अपने friends के साथ. Hello ma'am, hope you are doing great. Dear sir, 8-7 साल, 2-4 साल हो गए. Depends on your comfortable level with that person. That is a salutation. Some people can take it, some people can take it positive, some people can take it negative. No sarcastic mails. Okay, I know you know everything you are writing in that mail. No sarcasm. इसको sarcasm बोलते हैं. हाँ, मुझे पता है तुमको सब कुछ आता है. So उसको translate आपने कर दिया. Yes sir, I know that you know everything, but I don't know. So please make me understand. So it sounds like rude kind of thing. Your mails have to be very polite. जितनी मेल polite, humility होगी, उतना prioritize करके reply करके आपको जवाब मिलेगा. Something which is very important. So any more questions from your side? This is actually a communication skill. This is emailing. to take care of what you have written, और हमेशा bullet points में लिखना है मेल. मेल का मतलब ही है I am writing something, I convey the message. मैसेज मैंने कन्वे कर दिया. और बोल्ड लेटर्स करना, that shows aggressive, कभी नहीं करना चाहिए. बोल्ड मींस मैं loudly I am yelling at you, मैं गुस्सा हो रहा हूं आपके ऊपर. बोल्ड करने की जरूरत कभी नहीं है. ये बहुत जबरदस्त एटिकेट्स हैं ईमेल लिखने के. बहुत बड़े ओहदों पे लोग हैं, उन्हें नहीं पता. They still italicized words लिखते हैं, cursive words लिखते हैं, font dramatic choose करते हैं. No, that's not the way. Arial 10 to 12 font size. Salutation nice and professional. Introduction, वजह क्या है मेल लिखने की? Cut it short. Bullet point 6. Signature, best regards, have a nice day. You can even write looking forward to a positive revert. Looking forward to a positive revert. Have a great day ahead. Best regards, your signature. So इसका इस्तेमाल signatures में ऐसे ही होना चाहिए. फलदार पेट झुका होता है. Humility is very important. Without humility, you will not get any good answer at any time. So any other poor grammar should not be there. That's also very important. Attachments are very important. If somebody is writing an attachment to you, putting an attachment to you, then you have to reply all. Then the attachment will go. Reply करके attachment नहीं जाती, reply all करके जाती है. और forward अगर आप करो mail तो attachment जाती है. Attachment check करना जरूरी है. कभी कभी हम attach करते हैं, वो गई नहीं होती है, mail चली जाती है, बड़ा ही अजीब सा लगता है वो. ये ध्यान रखना ऋतिक इस बात का भी एंड चंदन कि कभी कभी हम अटैचमेंट करते हैं और सर मैंने आपको भेजा था, गया नहीं. अरे आपने भी तो चेक करना चाहिए था. So that's something which is very important. Yeah, मानते हो ना आप ये ऋतिक, ये होता है कभी कभी अटैचमेंट जाती नहीं है.
Sir, I have a question. I had seen many mails that contain an abbreviation PS.
Thanks.
I don't know. So what is that?
TS तो तुझे सलाम भी हुआ, तुझे सलाम. TS का कोई भी फॉर्म निकाल लो. So TKS, PS.
TS नहीं था, PS.
PS, please see. Okay, please see. और ये एक्चुअली ना सी हमारे मुल्क में PTO बचपन में याद होगा, पेज टर्न ओवर. अब ये अंग्रेज को नहीं पता, जैसे मैं मल्टीनेशनल कंपनी हूँ, they don't know all this. PTO, yo, down, this, these are all slangs used in a casual language. Email is always professional, so we need to take care of it. It's a respect that you have to show on the email. और इससे बंदे का चरित्र, personality पता चलती है. The person who writes an email, how crisp it is, how professional it is. So that is why we use emails. में हम ये नहीं use करते हैं. Poor grammar should not be there. Bad impression पड़ता है. Then we have salutation, email body, attachments and signatures. Mail should be properly, consistently written, right? And सबसे important चीज, आपने अगर subject line कुछ भी दिया है, उसी subject line पे reply करना है. जैसे ऋतिक आपको मैंने एग्जांपल दिया, आपने मुझे किंग्स ट्रेजेडीज कम्युनिकेशन स्किल का चैप्टर नंबर 7 का पैराग्राफ नंबर 6 समझ नहीं आया, तो उसमें आपने लिखा था क्लैरिटी फॉर कम्युनिकेशन स्किल चैप्टर किंग्स ट्रेजेडीज. अब ये जो लाइन है सब्जेक्ट लाइन, इसी पे रिप्लाई और चलता रहेगा. नई ईमेल नहीं लिखोगे आप नई सब्जेक्ट लाइन के साथ, वो थ्रेड खत्म हो जाएगा. उसको कहते हैं कम्युनिकेशन थ्रेड. द थ्रेड है माला. जैसे हम हर एक धागे में एक एक मोती रखते हैं, वो धागे में होती ही है. अगर नया धागा लगाएंगे तो आधे 10 मोती या 10 मोती वहां जाएंगे. सो ईमेल थ्रेड के अंदर वी नीड टू बी श्योर वी आर रिप्लाइंग and consistently writing on that subject line only. That is something which is very important. So any questions so far, because participation for me is very important, so I would prefer anybody who can ask me anything.
Excuse me sir, I have a doubt.
Yeah, so Suraj, appreciate, please tell me.
Sir, I have read somewhere that using words with all letters capital is considered indecent, as it means you are shouting to someone. Is it true?
Very good question, Suraj. You have to understand it's called loud. If I write hello Suraj, HELLO, all caps lock, that shows you are yelling at someone. You are absolutely correct. Never ever write an email with bold letters. That means you are shouting on something. बड़े बड़े वर्ड सारे. Yes, to start with, पहला word जो होगा आपका, जैसे इंग्लिश ग्रामर में हमको पता था, after full stop we have to use first letter as capital, caps lock. You are absolutely correct, Suraj. Really appreciate. Worth asking a question. Never write an email with bold letters. That gives an impression you are angry. Good question, Suraj.
So sir,
Yes.
what should we do if we want to emphasize on something? Should we underline it or should we use
Very good
italics or
question.
something?
Yeah, absolutely. Now Suraj has asked a question, sir. If you write if we write a communication email, what should we do? We can put a highlight. You know, there are options. ये पीछे से highlighter हम use करते हैं, scrub use करके. Same we have got paint brush में से निकाल के we can highlight that word. Bold करने की जरूरत नहीं है. Bold is not required. Bold again is you are yelling at somebody. We can highlight that word. Highlighter use होता है. You understood that, Suraj? A fluorescent
Yes,
color,
sir.
yellow color. Yeah,
Sir,
we can use that.
put that in
Italicize करने की
quotes.
जरूरत नहीं है. We can highlight that word. Yeah, Ritik, you want to ask something?
Sir, we can also put that in quotes also.
Yeah, of course. See, decency, of course. Like highlighting is. अब मैं आपको presentation दिखाऊंगा next time पे, which is fractional. Like 3 सेकंड के लिए कुछ दिखाऊंगा, बोलूंगा F कितनी बार लिखा था. जो bold में F highlighted F था, वही दिखेगा. Same is the priority of an email. नजर कहाँ जाती है? Highlight पे. So these are the points which are highlighted. ये होता है ना, the highlighted words. Bold नहीं. अभी से आदत डाल दो. Bold लिखना, red color में लिखना mails, pink color, green color, all casual. Delete. Interview में भी हम नहीं देखते. मैं नहीं देखता था. Never. I never used to see.
Sir, one last thing I want to ask.
Please ask me many questions, Suraj. Yeah.
Sir, I just wanted to ask that is there some other criteria like you have to make your email ID very specifically? That I've seen some people that use different usernames for email ID.
Example?
Does this count? Like I have seen someone using name is a punisher@gmail.com. I don't think it's a decent email. So
Okay. Well, see, yours to आपके जब corporates में jobs लगेंगी, you will get basically suraj.sarkar@google.co.in, right? So Google or any company that you join, they will have their own mail IDs created for you. Now you are talking specifically about the student age. इसमें हम क्या करें? You are absolutely correct. So we have to use basically we have to make sure these are the kind of guys who don't want to do anything in life. So let's remove him. Okay, he's removed and I have submitted. Now you have to understand we have all types of people. I still respect that. अब इनका जो बीच में आया, but that is reported to college, so they will get punished. But coming back to your question, Suraj, is what should we do? suraj.sarkar@yahoo.co.in, @gmail.com, suraj786, क्योंकि suraj.sarkar या suraj sarkar maybe is not available. But yes, you are absolutely correct. You should not be punished @chalmeaya@.com. Okay, aap poncho mein aaya @.com, tpog.com. Yes, these are casual. These are wastage of time. If you have to do something, we need to be professional. And you are right, Suraj. We need to have a decent email ID. Now imagine aap mujhe job apply kar rahe ho, punished@yahoo.com. What will be the impression? Punished? Ye kaun hai? So I will smile and I will delete. So this is what happens, Suraj. It happens. So we have to put an email ID which respects your, let's say cover page hota hai, index hota hai, preface hota hai. It tells you about the book. So cover tells you what the book is. Same, your face is the index of mind. आपका चरित्र कैसा, आपको कैसा पाला गया है, पेरेंट्स कैसे हैं, ये सब कुछ बताता है ये चीजें. The way you write an email, the way you have an email ID, user ID, the way you have written it, that's value, because it's a respect of your parents also. You cannot fiddle around with your name. So absolutely correct, Suraj. You should have a decent username. That's something which is very important.
thanks for the
Come
information.
on, question. Most welcome, Suraj. Think again, think more and more questions. Any other question? Because I believe in because we have abbreviations like आपने कहा था PFA, please find attached, PFB, please find below, FYI मैंने बहुत use किया है, and FYR, because these are professional abbreviations for your reference, or FYI only for your information. This is something which we use in our corporate world. बहुत ज़्यादा use होता है ये FYI for your information, right? So this is something which is acceptable globally. It is acceptable and accepted all over. These are the abbreviations. अब WHO, World Health Organization है, पूरा world जानता है, right? So that is something which is worthwhile to address the way I told you. So Sumit, Ritik, Neha, Manik, No girl has asked any question. Girl power, come on. Any question? Because I want you guys to please interact. I can give you beautiful, I can send you the presentation, hundreds of presentations. But उससे क्या होगा? आपने सीखा क्या? मैं चाहता हूं मेरे को ऋतिक मेल करे. Please note down my email ID, sandeepsadhu@yahoo.com. Ifat ma'am knows my email ID. Now I will see the conversations we had. Don't worry about the grammar. Don't worry about anything. Just send me the mail. जैसे
Sure,
मैंने
sir.
आपको बताया. Sure, do that. sandeepsadhu@yahoo.com. I'll put it in the chat for you.
Yeah.
And also do one thing, go to my LinkedIn account. मेरा LinkedIn account में भी जाइएगा. I can't hear somebody's yeah, Ifat ma'am, anybody wants to ask anything? Very low voice is coming. Yeah. So you got my email ID in the chat box. So come on, we got 3-4 girls also here. Guys have started asking questions. What about the girls? Bhavana is there, Khushbu is there, and I can't see anybody else. Mansi is there. Now, Ritik, you have got a very good assignment. Please talk to your friends that they should participate. I love participation. जब तक आपस में communication skill ही नहीं होंगे तो मैं आगे presentations और ये that's the second thing. I'll show you flip charts. I'll show you templates. I'll show you the presentations and PPTs. But first, reading makes a full man, writing an exact man, conference a ready man. First, you have to be ready. What to ask? Why are we discussing this? This is important. That's why I have given my email ID. I believe in inculcating and taking things what we have learned. I'm very happy today Zoom has not ended. So we can still continue. I told you about the colors. I told you about highlighting, right? Never write email in bold and caps lock. It looks like shouting, right? Caution to humor. कभी-कभी हम मेल में humor भी लिखते हैं, joke मारते हैं बीच में. It can be taken in a very negative manner to the people who are in CC. Maybe attention to वाला आपके साथ बहुत अच्छा पहली है. Office में, I'm talking about the office. But CC में जो नीचे हैं, they can forward the email to higher authorities. He is creating a ruckus or a mess in the email. So that is not taken in a positive way, right? So be very careful not to put humor in the email. Humor नहीं डालना चाहिए email के अंदर. That creates a panic situation. Yeah. Then I told you about the sarcasm. No sarcastic emails. Never do that. Ritik, can you give an example of a sarcastic email? क्या होती है? मैंने आपको बताया था. It's not a test. We are just.
Sir, what you have told is that, yeah, I know you know everything, but tell me this.
Very good. Sarcasm. ये कभी नहीं होना चाहिए. For example, I know Rahul got 98.6 in his civil dumpy level. Major करना इसको बड़ा अच्छा आता है, you know. Dumpy level हमने भी second semester में major किया तो pole लेके highway के ऊपर you have to measure the dumpy level and stuff. So I told him, I know यार, you are a big man, आप muscular हो, आपको pole उठाना आता है, dumpy level measure करनी आती है. I know that. So can you teach all of our college? Applause, exclamation marks. So that is a taunt. That's not decent. So that is sarcasm. So that is sarcasm. So that is something. Right?
Video now.
So any other question anybody has? Always remember, time is money. There will be 500 students in your college. Very few will be successful. Others will not be. I pity these students which we are removing because they're burning their parents' money. I'm sorry to say this word. If Atara ma'am will also agree. She also told me, please remove. Yes. Guys, please make them understand. Don't burn the future of others. And Ritik, I give you this assignment to make sure that these people, intruders, are nicely and politely told they're also our students and their parents are also happy they have got in such a prestigious college of Faridabad. You are lucky people. There are a lot of intelligent people who cannot get admissions. You have got it. Value this, value time, and you will become great. So that is something which I'm telling you from the bottom of my heart. We should not have these rogue students who are creating a menace inside the virtual classroom. So try to make them understand. So that's precisely what I'm talking about, the emails. There are 101 tips I can give you, but I want discussions are big in communications. But the more short, precise, and nice email is, the more attention is received and given to it by sender and receiver. Yeah, if I want to say something?
No, sir.
Okay. So it's a receiver and sender. You send something, other person receives it, and how important the mail is to a person is as per the priority. We got the option, you have to hit the button of priority, less important, more important, top urgent. There are levels. Rahul, Pooja, Mansi, there are levels to email, and you can hit the button. It gives you the priority automatically. That exclamation mark red color ka change ho jata hai. It means Ritik is writing an email or Rohini Tamar is writing an email which is on priority basis. Sir, jaldi jawab dijiye. Ab wo phone to karegi nahi loudly. So what she will say is, I need an answer. So that email is top urgent basis email. So we have to hit the button of priority. That is something which is very important, right? So Neha, ask me a question on email etiquettes. No. Sab naraz hain bibi. Mansi, Chandan. Chandan, you want to ask any question? Kuch sawal पूछना चाहेंगे आप? Ritik, any other question? Okay.
No, sir, not right now.
Okay, great, great. So we've got 63 participants. 63 participants, and I'm please requesting you guys that you need to ask me a question. I will keep on continuing my lecture, but I believe that you should take something inside. How to write an email, proper presentation, proper grammar, punctuation. Punctuation, हम समझते हैं कि important नहीं है. It is important. Imagine, Ritik, I'm telling you because I was also involved, still I am, as a guest faculty in different colleges to shortlist faculty. अब ऋतिक राजन ने जॉब के लिए अप्लाई किया है, अपनी ईमेल भेज दी, 100 बंदों ने और भेज दी. But when I saw Ritik's email, suddenly I stopped because of the reasons. Nice font used, Arial. Nice font size used, proper 10 to 12, right? And what else? The mail was important and urgent. You prioritized it, and you have started your salutation, greetings, tarike se. So Ritik, if I ask you, you are applying for a job, how will you start an email?
Maybe, sir, I will first attach my CV at the end and getting a salutation like respected sir, and then I
Very
will
good.
put my skills and the qualifications for the particular job in the bullet
Very
point.
good. Very good. You will attach it properly. And हमेशा याद रखना चाहिए attachments पहले ही डाल दो, बाद में भूल जाता है आदमी. But don't write पहले ही email ID, गलती से वो चला जाता है आधा ही. Very important, I am telling you. जब भी आप मेल स्टार्ट करो, write the complete mail. अभी एड्रेस मत डालो. Start the mail, write the complete mail, and because for the beginners, it's very important. कभी-कभी आधी communication चली जाती है, which is not done. So, any other question?
Hello, sir.
Any other question?
Hello, sir. Hello.
Yeah, I'm back. There was a glitch. So guys, there are mind maps. There are notes which a person should make. I'll tell you that also, what mind maps are. Like greetings, right? Hello, hi. Hello, Ritik, or hello, Steve. Greetings for the day. Hope this mail of mine finds you in good health and nice mood. This is the greeting salutation. Then introduction, this is to inform you, just to let you know. Good news is that you can start. Follow up on previous email. Ritik, remember, I told you the subject line tha clarification of King's tragedies, chapter number so and so. Same subject line पे reply all भी करना है, उसी mail पे चलना है. Otherwise it becomes very difficult for the receiver also to find. यार ऋतिक आपने कौन सी मेल, आप देखो कई corporates में, आपके कॉलेज में भी आप देखना या दाएं बाएं, कुछ लोगों को बड़ा कंफ्यूजन होता है, कौन सी मेल कब भेजी थी. अच्छा ये 28 तारीख की, आधा दिन चला जाता है मेल ढूंढने में, because they are not following the rules of communication. What is the rule? First thumb rule. Please follow the thread. Please follow the subject line. अब subject line मैंने लिखी है clarification of King's tragedies, तो उसी के बारे में मैं लिख रहा हूँ. आपने कुछ नया मौजू उठाना है, नया subject उठाना है, then there should be a new subject line. Otherwise we'll repeat, and that is called communication thread. तब एक सेंसिबल चीज समझ आती है कि हम किस बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. अब ये सब संभव कैसे है? ये संभव है, to write a good email you should have good presentation skills, drafting. उसके लिए मैंने आपको last time भी कहा था, get a dictionary, Oxford dictionary, write down the words, their meanings with translation English to Hindi. Got another intruder here. Before we remove him, here he goes. Here he is dead. So these things do happen. So friends, this is something which we have to use. That we have to use an Oxford dictionary translation, uska Hindi to English to Hindi, vice versa, and we have to follow that. Tabhi Ritik and Suraj, we will be able to follow and write a very good email. Otherwise, it becomes a little difficult, little challenging, because drafting is something which is very important, and you will get a reply. Saurabh, come on, any other question? You're good at questions. I appreciate that. We still got 3, 4, 5 minutes. It's very good today.
Yes, sir. Luckily, it's going for the longer time.
Yeah, it showed unlimited. Luckily, because
okay, so we
when
can...
God helps. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. So Suraj, you want to ask any question or anybody? It's my humble request. Please ask me question. Communication skills. I told you about the colors, the sequence, right? Saurabh asked a wonderful question. Saurabh and Ritik, these are the two people, it seems like, in the whole college. What about Mansi and Neha and Mukesh? कुछ भी पूछिए, कोई भी. फतआरा मैम also told you, आप किसी भी जुबान लैंग्वेज में बात कर सकते हैं. हिंदी, उर्दू is okay. भावना अरोरा, Saurabh, Chandan, come on guys, Vivek, Moksh Sharma, Manik Jain, Shushant, I think was talking last time. Shushant, come on, you are the future engineers of the country. You have to talk to your clients. How will you write emails? Email mein hi, you are not able to talk to me abhi. Mukul Sharma, come on. So guys, I think, yeah, Suraj, any question?
No, sir. Not for now.
Not for now. That's okay. Okay, Ashutosh, you want to ask anything regarding the communication skill part? Ritik wants to say something. हाँ, Ritik बताएं.
Sir, when we should send the same mail if we didn't get any reply of my first mail?
Oh, wonderful! What a question. This is gold. See, जब आदमी सोचता है तो जरूर कुछ आता है. Wonderful. सबसे पहली चीज इस पे मुझे याद आई. Suppose if I write an email, आपने मुझे email लिखी, मैं उसका जवाब नहीं दे पाया. Still you wait for 24 hours. Now this is sender. आपने भेजी और आप wait करें 24 घंटे. इत्मीनान रखें, right? Now I am a receiver. मेरा क्या SOP है? मेरे को आपको immediately answer देना चाहिए. Dear Ritik, I have received your email, but I'm not in a position to read it, analyze it right now. Let me get back to you. मगर वो जरूर बोलना चाहिए. Latest by Friday before 7 p.m. This is the way we used to write the mail. और यहाँ normally absurd क्या हो जाता है? Hi Ritik, mail received, will get back to you. Get back to 10 साल, 15 साल, 5 दिन, 10 दिन, महीना, ये एक general kind of clause है. Will get back to you. आप देखो हम कभी-कभी बातों में भी बोलते हैं will get back to you. ऐसे email में भी लिखते हैं will get back to you. When? So same Ritik, very good question. If you are not getting a reply, you should write after 24 hours friendly reminder. एक उसके ऊपर same thread, same subject line, you will write friendly reminder, highlighted, fluorescent color yellow. Dear sir, would request to kindly revert as per your convenience. Looking forward to your revert. Have a nice day. Friendly reminder. This is the way.
Okay.
This is the way we write. Yeah. Very good question, Ritik. Very wonderful question. Vidushi, yeah, you have just joined us. If you know what we're talking about, any questions, or Mukul?
Sir, I have a question now.
You have a question? Yeah, Suraj.
It sometimes happens that our mail ends up in spam for some people. Why does it happen? And how can we avoid it?
Well, why does mail go on spam normally is one related to the size, related to one second, let me start. There was some glitch in the internet once. So there's a size of the email, or first time you are writing an email. So it goes as per the technicalities of that software, particular location area. We don't have any control over that. But yes, we have control how to avoid it. How to avoid it? Go to the spam folder, right click, no spam. वो जो बंदा है, for example, Sandeep Sadhu, you will right click it, no spam, it will go to inbox. Again, I'm repeating, go to the spam folder, right click it, no spam, options will come. And in future, all my emails will go to your inbox, hopefully. Anything can happen anytime nowadays. And then you will not get that problem. Did it suffice, Suraj?
जितने मुल्ला तुम हो ना उतने बहन के लंडे मेवला महाराजपुर में आ जाओ बहन के लंडे नौ में बिट्टू.
So any did it suffice to you, Suraj?
Yes, sir. Now my doubt is clear.
Because yes, it happens sometimes. Spam folder में mails चली जाती हैं, but right click करके you can just put it. That's not it. But very good, very relevant question actually. Very relevant question actually. So any other question, anybody? I hope you had a good session so far. Ritik, maza aaya?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So there's something great. Vidushi, any question? Vidushi Gandhi? I would love to meet you guys in person someday. I don't know when that will come, but very important, you know. So I think Ifat ma'am, it's already 3:05 and
yes, sir.
We'll
Yes,
wait
sir.
for
We
the
can
5
wind
minutes.
it up. Yes, yes, yes. We will
So
try to
if any
meet as soon as possible, sir. We'll try to have a session, offline session with
Offline.
you also. Let's see
Pleasure.
when and how soon we can conduct it at our. And I'm really sorry for all those disturbances and all those news.
Come on, I can understand. No problems. I can understand. We are all one, and we are here for good students always, and to teach to bad students as well. And I had given an assignment to Ritik and all same frequency-minded people to teach them and not burn the parents of their money. That's okay. Bad people, ugly people are everywhere. That's their fate. That's their karma. They don't want to do anything in life. It's all the best to them. That's
True.
okay.
Yeah.
So
Thank you so
perfect
much, sir.
then.
Thank you for this longer session of yours.
Anytime,
It
I mean,
was
it's pleasure
really,
always
really-
for Echelon. Wonderful always. All the best, guys, and see you soon. Have a nice day. Take care.
Thank
Bye.
you, sir. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.